The best, UR 926 360-watt LED display soldering iron station kit. This comprehensive kit offers advanced features tailored for precision soldering tasks. With its intuitive LED display, temperature control becomes effortless. Elevate your craftsmanship with the power and reliability of the UR 926 3. Explore soldering like never before. A pinnacle of technological advancement tailored to meet the demands of modern professionals. With its innovative non-contact AC voltage detection feature, powered by Volt Alert technology, this multimeter sets a new standard for efficiency and safety in electrical measurements. Gone are the days of cumbersome manual voltage selection. The Fluke 117 boasts automatic AC-DC voltage selection, seamlessly adapting to the task at hand with its auto-volt feature. Furthermore, its low input impedance (LOS) mode stands as a bulwark against false readings induced by ghost voltage, ensuring utmost accuracy in every measurement. Navigating dimly lit environments poses no challenge for the discerning technician armed with the Fluke 117. Equipped with a large, illuminating white LED backlight, this multimeter illuminates the path to precise diagnostics even in the darkest corners. With true RMS capabilities, the Fluke 117 delivers accurate measurements even in the face of nonlinear loads, providing professionals with the confidence they need to tackle any electrical challenge. The Fluke 117 does not disappoint. From resistance and continuity to frequency and capacitance, this multimeter effortlessly handles an array of measurements with precision and ease. Moreover, its min, max, average function allows users to track signal fluctuations over time, empowering them to identify patterns and anomalies with unparalleled efficiency. Safety is non-negotiable in the world of electrical work, and the Fluke 117 is engineered with this principle in mind. With a Cat 3 600V safety rating and surge protection up to 6 kV peak per IEC 610101, users can operate with peace of mind, knowing that their safety is prioritized at every turn. The Fluke 117 delivers in spades. Compatible with the optional magnetic hanger, tool pack, this multimeter enables hands-free operation, freeing users to focus on the task at hand without the encumbrance of holding their equipment. Robust yet portable, the Fluke 117 is designed to withstand the rigors of the job site. With an operating temperature range of -10°C to +50°C and a battery life of up to 400 hours typical, without backlight, using a 9V alkaline battery, this multimeter is ready to tackle any challenge, anywhere, anytime. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.